Once upon a time, there was a village where the people were constantly fighting and arguing with one another. They couldn't agree on anything, and the village was filled with anger and resentment. One day, a wise old man named Peacemaker came to the village. He saw how the people were struggling. He went from house to house and listened to their complaints and concerns. He helped them understand each other's point of view and made suggestions for how to solve their problems. Slowly but surely, the village began to change. People started to forgive one another and work together to find solutions. They realized that they had more in common than they had thought, and that they were stronger when they worked together. The village became a peaceful place, and the people were happy once again. They thanked the peacemaker and asked him to stay, but he replied that his job was done and that they were capable of maintaining peace within the village. The moral of the story is that forgiveness and understanding are powerful tools for resolving conflicts, and that peace can be achieved by working together and being open-minded towards others. Thank you very much.